discuss Social Studies of Class 4, Chapter 2, Knowing More About India. Before starting this chapter, we will do a short revision of what we learned in the previous class. India is the 7th largest country in the world in terms of area. Next, we have seen India has the second largest population in the world next to China. Next, we have seen India lies wholly in the northeastern hemisphere. We also have seen India is going to be divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. Now we will see another thing, that India and its neighboring countries. India is going to have 9 neighboring countries. They are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Bhutan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Now please come to page number 16. On page number 16, we will start from physical divisions of India. India shows a great variety in its land features. It has magnificent snow-covered mountains, hills covered with thick forest, many rivers, fertile plains, plateaus with mountain ranges and rivers, a large sandy desert and beautiful islands. India is broadly divided into 6 physical divisions. Each physical division is completely different from the other. The 6 physical divisions are as follows: the northern mountains, the northern plains, the great Indian desert, the southern plateau, the coastal plains and the island groups. As you can see on the screen, the map of India. Please look at the brown region. The brown region represents the northern Himalayas. The green region represents the northern plains. The yellow region is going to be the great Indian desert. Cream region, please sit down on the cream region. It is going to be the Deccan Plateau. The dark green is going to be the coastal plains, and the blue dots, they are going to be the island groups. Now we are going to discuss all the physical divisions one by one. Let's come to number 1, that is the northern mountains. In the north, the great Himalaya mountains separate India from Asia. As you can see on the screen, on the map of India, with brown color you can see the Himalayas marked. The Himalayas form a natural boundary between India and the continent of Asia. They protect us from the extreme cold winds from the north and act as a protective wall. Many rivers of northern India have their source in these mountains. So what we see from here, everybody knows the great Himalayan mountains. And this Himalayas is going to be very important to us. Why? Because this Himalayas is going to protect us from the extreme cold, and most of the rivers of northern India has taken its rise from here. Next we are coming to number 2, that is the northern plains. The northern plains lie to the south of the Himalayan mountain. With the green color of the map, you can see the northern plains. Here the land is flat and very fertile. The river Ganga and its tributaries flow through this region. Therefore, this region is very good for agriculture and many food crops are grown here. At first we have discussed about the northern mountains. Now we are going to see the northern plains. So in the map you can see the green color is going to be marked as the northern plains. Over here what we see, the land is going to be flat, and not only flat, it is going to be very fertile. Why it is going to be very fertile? Because river Ganga and its tributaries flow through this region, and because this fertile slit is going to be over here, that's why this region is going to be very good for agriculture, and different types of food crops are going to be grown here. Then we are going to discuss about the Great Indian Desert. The Great Indian Desert. The Great Indian Desert is also known as the Third Desert. As you can see on the screen, on the map of India, with the red color, you can see the Third Desert. On the map, the red color is going to represent the Third Desert. This Third Desert is going to lie in the northwestern part of India. It is a dry sandy area which receives very little rainfall. It is spread over the state of Rajasthan. So what we see over here, the Great Indian Desert is also going to be known as the Third Desert. This desert is going to lie in the state which is going to be known as Rajasthan. This is a dry sandy desert, and this area is going to receive very little rainfall. So what we know, the area which is going to have very little rainfall, we are not going to have nice cultivation over here. So what we do, artificial water supply is going to be given over here, so that we are going to have cultivation. Now we are going to discuss couple of question answers with you. Number 1, what is the importance of the Himalayas to us? The answer will be, the Himalayas protect us from the extreme cold winds from the north and act as a protective wall. Many rivers of northern India have their source in these mountains. Next, why the northern plains is very fertile? The northern plains is very fertile because the river Ganga and its tributaries flow through this region. Therefore, this region is very good for agriculture and many food crops are grown here. Students, hope you all enjoyed the class. In the next class, we will continue this chapter and we will complete the chapter on that day. Thank you.